Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 1 how to download Instagram on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to have access to is an iPhone itself, and then we can go to the App Store on the iPhone, click on App Store, and now type in Instagram. Click on Instagram, and now we can download. Click on the Instagram logo and now download. And now we can click on open. The App Store then redirects the user to Instagram. So now we can go to our home page. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.